Honest in Igbo biko na nkansi abịa n'ụbọchị nketa ara biko na ka ị na-enweta vidiyo ya kaba arụ na-eshi ya biko na okwu Fada Joy Nwebe na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na design minister na-akwa ebi tata nke o ji ebi echi ka ihe me nji wee kwuo ya. O nwere write up ụnụ n'afọ ihe a Reverend Fada Joy Nwebe did the write up or we post the video tata wee na-asị na that he did not apologize to Zion ministry. Na ndị mmadụ na-asịkwa na o mee apology na-akwa asị that he did not apologize. The only thing that he did was to pray for the souls Ebuka Obi na Ananiyi through fake prophecies, through fake arrange. That's not the only thing that will make this okwu wee be is that na the whole Catholic priest no na Igbo na East should Ebuka Obi should offer them an apology in the sense that na Ebuka Obi is a reverend father from the East. Ka boynye send the love it ko bebia me ihe arrange na ministry that na who is that reverend father for na Alamako. That if Ebuka Obi cannot point at the reverend father, that no ku anare be very soon. That he is ready to take this matter to any length. That no ku ka yeku ka dia no. That if you kwa na yesu ya to court. That no ye buluzo okucha nko ye kweketa o buluzo je chelo no na court tupu na abia. That he only pray for the souls Ebuka Obi na Ananiyi no nwere ihe ọzọ n'ihe abata na asị gị no me apology. No, that he did not apologize. That na Ebuka Obi should go and apologize to the Catholic body, especially to the Eastern Reverend Fathers that he gene that otu bodala asị. Now let me borrow the word of Matthias Ezeaku. Matthias Ezeaku sịrị na ọ bụrụ na unu si na Ebuka Obi si na atụ asị na Reverend Sister be agbadi ya, because people are beginning to diverge from the story. From the initial story unu si no ihe ahụ okwu maka ndị fada na atụba nwaanyị ime na ndị sister chọrọ ịnụ ya ọhụ unu bido okwu. So Matthias wee sị na okwu ebe unu si unu na afọ vision ngwa kpee na ekpele ka Chukwu na reveal elu no the Reverend Sister, and the people should come out kpọọ the Reverend Sister afa sị na asị ohe Matthias kwu asị m ka m borrow the word of Matthias. So but that's by the way. So achọrọ m kwunu kwulida nkunu nụkwa ihe Fada Joy Nwebe kwu ọrụkwa ka this month of August anọ n'ime no Fada Joy Nwebe ka ya. But nevertheless wherever you are, biko before you na-akpọ yi, always go back and know that I have been praying for our priest and will continue to pray for Fada Joy Nwebe, because Ogo on na is now officially that na Monday Eastern Reverend Fathers do ili anyano bada togo. That is why Megan everywhere is quiet. Some, I didn't say all, because everyone advocated for to apologize to Eastern Reverend Fathers. So the few selected, the few that do nyezi kuyana azanya chen na Megan ngabaniro. Like I said in before, so imanane yoku you not just listen, you listen to understand. You will listen to understand. So here na make it shows that na aka ndị mmadụ dị n'ihe Fada Joy Nwebe na-eme. So bonya kwulu gaba ọlụ abụ megine ka anyị na-eweta na iji kọmahara wee na-adọ ndị na-asị m na na-epost too much na na-eme nka. 2 days Fada Joy Nwebe na kwuru okwu. Did you see me post anything? I did not, because I can't copy ihe ọ na kwuru wepụtara unu okwu nwetara unu n'okwu kwa n'ọzọ. Ọ bụ na okwu rọta ile ya n'ọbụ mmanwụ anọ ụlọ onwe m na nghọta. So na the video unu na-emekwa na-eti Fada Joy Nwebe na-ekpele ka eme gịnị, let there be peace, let there be peace, because mkpụrụ obi na Ananiyi because of all this ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị is beginning to get too much, and every one of us will give account of the souls na Ananiyi under our care. So but that's by the way na this video ka ọ dịkwa na ndị back.
Are you there?
Yeah.
So somebody made this comment. So what is this shameless priest doing? And the guy is so useless. That's why these two accounts, they came to my I know they are the media people. Now look at just a newly created page without Nick Raymond. This is not an identity. Look at them make the other one that commented. A newly created page also. If you know an inorganic something, look at this person, different photos with e-money. You don't understand? So carry the camera, come. So the problem we have is the nuisance that the offshoot of this indiscipline. You know, everything that has been follows agere sequito as a being. Action follows being and being follows action. This new church movement, Ebuka Obi, mgbe ihe si na ga-hit ụmụ Igbo ọ ga-adị very very disastrous. If man na-ekwu no na-eche na ọsọ ndị fada. Remember when Ojukwu was advocating for Biafra and freedom from Fulani Caliphate, ụfọdụ ndị Benue and ụfọdụ ndị Yoruba and Edo thought that no ndị Igbo sọsọ ndị Igbo ha ma what their agenda is. The killing, Jesse carries carrying at those places, and now they now understood that the now for me, what made me to venture into this? I'm not them knock on the open. I'm knock on. I can't remember more the GMOs and how deadly the attack will be, and the Holy Spirit close my eyes until I venture into it. But somehow his strength has continued to sustain me. And I just want to clarify that there is no apology. And it is because things have gotten out of hand. And anybody that sees the outburst of these Ebuka Obi boys and media rats insulting everybody, Igboland. Anybody of 19-year-old in anything can be insulted and bullied and thrashed. I don't know the one they will do tomorrow. That's when you see what we are seeing. And the Obuna Apuro Fonye, Netiti Anya, Ibankete, Etu Asafasi, Doko Falambaka. Yeah, Nwebe Joy, God bless you. Obuna Abankete, tomorrow it will be your turn. Nobody knows. He will step into this case and the father in general. If I was the one mentioned, maybe not able to know more. Father Wokem would know more. I send the beloved person that went to give the testimony. Well, I may not even talk. But why mention priest and the and now to some back I cannot know and send it and now for Korea only one Enugu na Aumako. That's how I got into this, and I'm very very happy. Mbemkuru na onye nwa ya ata afọ nkwu na onye ha ya ata abụrụ a cause. Oh, ịkọwara onye ha the danger dị na mmadụ ịgba ụka mgba and mmadụ ibo mmadụ ife ọ na-emerọ in the name of you are protect. Gịnị ka ị na-protect? Chineke nyego ọ bụ ga-ezi nwego ihe niile a na-enwe n'ụwa. Azụmazụ ha etu esi na-adịzi aggressive in protection. More than onwe m oge ụfọdụ few people na-ekwu about me na adịdị m ka anyị na-eche as little as I am. Even ndị threatened na via them petition ma ndị arrest. O nwekwu ndị nke kpọrọ m na-asị m na fact na their way. You don't understand. So I'm the happiest priest in Nigeria, as in Africa. Because I don't know how to describe it. Because of what? Because when a lady is with you, it gives you joy. So far, Nwebe joy. So I don't know the way this is media people do everywhere. I don't know who gave them that type of advice. When somebody, you know, says something to you, first of all, go and think over that thing. And if it is you study if it is a physical or spiritual enemy. We create media rats and now a poor manner of things. More than when we travel, then we have for the flesh. But only you may for me to stand alone and speak this. So, but Our Lady is with me.
Yes.
And I say it again. In our trust to Oka trusting them at the detriment of your being and existence. The only institution that can be trusted is the church, because the church have stood through civilization because it's not based on any human interest. Yes. And when the idiosyncrasies of any particular human being gets so big, whether the person is a knight, a lady, a priest, an ordained, a religious, the Lord knows how to remove them from the way, and the church continues.
Yes.
But when a particular person has built an empire and raised himself like Pharaoh or Herod or all these big people, and and he said to an enemy, these couples, no easy hand and many mono. And I applaud here because no have a miracle no have no. You don't understand. So I pity all of you who are saying that I've approved Ebuka Obi. My approving, my God, the written in Kurubuna, he has left the right track. And Mankusi Kuya, only man. Yeah. So they petition America. America, just in America, MMRS in the airport, and that's how Nigeria. You might want to Malaro Nathan is. So, only Guru America, only because of the one in there. Only I have Napomi Hembo. What I am is what I am, and God will always take care of me. I will, you can't go and give him. I don't know how much I've contributed to your own destiny. You are overseas, you travel, you are doing well, you have your money, you go anywhere. And I didn't make you become what you are. I don't know how you think that it is you that will not make me what. I don't know. So, because be very, very, very serious with Uka before you were. Is dangerous. You will not understand it now, but I'm documenting this video so that in the future you go back to it. You do the Leon.